Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Hybrid Cooking Show.
All right, I'm your guy Ricky here with Mom Dukes, aka Teresa, and we're here to make a dish for you today, starting with corned beef hash. Guess what? It's gonna be a taco. Corned beef plus taco equal corned beef tacos. Let's get to it.
Ooh.
All right, guys. The drink that goes along with the hybrid meal today is no other than the smooth taste of Canada Dry. Hey, for a full taste, blend, it's not alcohol. It's great. It's a great soft drink to drink while you're waiting for your meal. Once again, Canada Dry. Cranberry Ginger Ale. I ain't left-handed either, but you can use whatever sauce you like to whatever what you like. I'm messing with the Tabasco, Chipotle, Smokey, and Bold. Hold on, baby girl. Playing in the front, let your feet stop. Breakfast will never be the same. Breakfast will never be the same.